Hi, welcome to my channel. To my new subscribers, welcome. My name's Miss Wangui Muithathi, and today I'll be talking about skills to avoid in future. Stay tuned. A few people have been wondering how they are going to survive mass replacement. With AI coming to replace things and robots, people who think about the future pay attention to these kinds of things. So I'll be discussing a few skills that you need to avoid, or don't spend your money trying to learn these skills because they won't really be necessary in the near future. The first skill is repetitive manual labor. Something that keeps repeating. It keeps repeating. This is something that a machine can do. These are tasks that involve repetitive actions that can be easily automated. With technology advancements, manual and repetitive labor is being replaced by automation. Machines and AI are far more efficient at repetitive tasks than humans. Humans can make errors, but for machines and AI, there's less error. So people and companies are going for machines and AI because they offer low costs and are more efficient. They also have a consistent output. So you see, industries, they want to work with machines because of the output that they get. Automation reduces production costs. This brings fewer jobs to humans. Unfortunately, there's going to be fewer job opportunities for manual labor. So, my advice to you is avoid this career because these are the first ones to be automated. Another job is basic data entry. A machine can easily do that. This is basically entering info into data systems or databases without significant analysis. AI software processes and organizes these things with fewer errors. This saves businesses time and resources by automating data entry. So you see, that's the skill you have. These are things that can be easily automated. Your job is at risk. AI comes with increased speed and accuracy, but it diminishes data entry jobs. So, my advice for you is focus on skills that need thinking or skills that need creativity, because basic data entry skills are on the decline. Another skill to avoid is telemarketing. This is simply selling products over the phone. Automated call systems outperform traditional telemarketing. Nowadays, consumers prefer self-service or online shopping. So you see, you're eliminated there. Automation offers cost-effective outreach, but there's lesser or fewer jobs for telemarketing. So there's no job prospects for telemarketing anymore. Another skill you need to do away with is basic customer care or basic customer support. These are simple support tasks that resolve routine customer issues. Nowadays, chatbots and AI systems increasingly manage these interactions. They reduce wait time and improve service efficiency. This helps companies to save in support costs, thus reducing demands for entry-level jobs or roles. So go and explore skills like customer relations or technical support. You can never go wrong with those two. Another skill that is going downhill is simple assembly line work. These are tasks that are focused on assembling parts in a production line. AI and robotics are transforming production lines, providing precision and speed without any human errors. AI and robotics come with increased production capacity but causes lower job security in manufacturing roles. So go look into skills production or machine operator or operation. Another skill people need to stop thinking about is retail cashiering. You see all these cashiers all over the place. Those are jobs that soon people will not be applying. For instance, you see Carrefour. Some people call it Carrefour. At some point, there's this self-service aisle where you don't need a cashier. If you have fewer items, you go and there's self-service there. So these jobs are on the decline. And nowadays, that's why you'll find even in a supermarket or anywhere, even in banks, cashiers are very less, or these retail cashiers, they're very, very less, no matter how long the line is. This is more of handling cash at retail points of sale. Self-checkout systems and mobile payment apps are becoming mainstream. They improve customer convenience and reduce labor costs. People or companies prefer them because they bring faster transactions with less staff needed, thus causing fewer cashier roles. If you have a poor mindset, you'll focus on these things and be sad about it. But if you have a positive mindset, focus on the positive side of things. So instead of learning a skill about retail cashiering, go for retail management. The next skill down the hill is print media journalism. This is more of writing news and articles for print media. Online media outlets have replaced many print jobs. Nowadays, readers prefer instant news that are available online. You can find them on YouTube. So these jobs are on the decline. Finding news online makes it easier to access information, but you see it causes lesser jobs. Traditional journalism roles decrease. So you go consider skills in digital content creation or multimedia journalism. You see, that's the beauty about these things. Even if one is not working well, you just need to open your eyes and find out what works well with these new things that are coming in. Another skill that is going down the drain is basic accountant skills or basic accountant tasks. These are routine accounting tasks like bookkeeping or data entry. There's available softwares online that readily performs these tasks automatically. These softwares enhance efficiency and reduce operational costs. They come with cost-effective and accurate data processing, but it lowers the demand for basic accounting roles. You need to invest in things like advanced financial analysis or forensic accounting. The last skill on the decline is warehouse sorting and packing. This is manually organizing and packing items in a warehouse. AI and robotics are doing these things. This is more like the repetitive manual labor can be done by robots. They increase productivity and reduces warehouse labor needs. They create faster sorting and shipping, but fewer warehouse roles. Instead, explore skills in supply chain management or robotics. So you see, all these skills, as much as one is on the decline, the other one is coming up. All you have to do is just be on the lookout. Don't be naive. Talk to people. Also, parents, don't force children to study things that are, times are changing. Talk to people, consult, know what is working at the moment, do your research. Don't waste your money on paying for courses or skills that will no longer help you, or you'll be paid peanuts. Focus on the positive, not on the negative. That's it for us today. I hope this gets to help someone when they are deciding which skill to pursue. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll be notified once we upload another new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.